Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to restrict apps on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings, click on screen time, and once you've clicked on screen time, you want to click on content and privacy restrictions. So now you want to make sure that the content and privacy restrictions is enabled. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on allowed apps. So here you can see your applications. So for example, you don't want other people to use the Safari, so just go ahead and turn the switch off. Okay, and do that in all of the apps that you want to restrict. Okay, so now you can also, you just want to go back, and here you want to click on downtime. So here, set a schedule for time away from screen during downtime. Only apps that you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. So you can just go ahead and customize days and from time to any time that you want. Okay, so downtime will apply to this device. A downtime reminder will appear 5 minutes before downtime begins. So here you can also use screen time passcode. So just go ahead and create your passcode so that other people can't change these settings on this section. Okay, so that's it. That is how you restrict apps on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.